Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to install the Binance application on your iPhone or iPad. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iOS device and open up your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar, type in Binance. Look for the Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application, this one over here, and then tap on the cloud icon facing downwards or the Get button to install the app. Wait for a few minutes and your download should finish. Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, and installing their official app allows you to trade, manage, and monitor your crypto assets on the go. Once the app is installed, all you need to do is to tap on the Open button to launch Open Binance application on your iPhone or your iPad. You can then go ahead and sign into your existing Binance account or register for a new one. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.